Hello, I'm going to tell you how to make money using our affiliate program. The first thing you want to do is log into your affiliate program. On the top of the page, you will see the program links. Home. Programs. Links and tools. Commission summary. Reports. My profile. Affiliate resources. Help. And logout. You want to choose the Links and Tools tab. Once you enter the Links and Tools tab, the best way to utilize our affiliate program is to embed your affiliate link into your own media. Watch how I embed my affiliate link into my text and images so I can promote my message, promote images, products, and even promote videos. Getting started promoting your affiliate link. Simply highlight the text or image you want to promote and click Insert Link in your email or web browser, and boom, you've added your affiliate link to your text or to the image you want to promote.
Numerous sellers have success advertising on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other social media platforms by simply copying and pasting their links into text and clickable images and positioning their links on social media platforms. 100 million Americans with poor or marginal credit will have a need and desire to obtain new or additional credit. These individuals will read your post, discover something of interest, click your link, and if they make a purchase today, tomorrow, next week, next month, or next year, you will earn a commission. Keep in mind that Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, your email list, and blogs are gold mines for affiliate resellers.
This is the simplest and most efficient method for mastering our affiliate program and making real money. Most find our affiliate program simple and easy with a very high conversion percentage. There are numerous methods for advertising and promoting your affiliate link. Your advertising options are virtually limitless. You can create 5, 10, or 20 distinct advertising statements, images, or YouTube videos, highlight your text or image with your affiliate link, and earn a commission when interested parties like yourself click your link. Simply copy your affiliate link, paste it into your media, or on your YouTube or TikTok video, and boom! You've just generated affiliate commissions. Get started now, and keep in mind a vital fact. You too can earn $100, $200, or even $500,000 per year by reselling CPN numbers and seasoned trade lines, as many others have done for decades. This is not a day, month, or year-long business. Since 1960, individuals have purchased and utilized CPN numbers. Is this a profitable business? Yes. Absolutely. They claim that our borders are open and that people are flooding through them, but guess what? 4 out of 10 are purchasing CPNs, and they all need one. If you are looking for a real money-making niche, you have discovered it. Take it seriously, get started, and start advertising, and you'll be inundated with requests for assistance from members of the 100 million club of people with no, low, marginal, or poor credit. Get started now and welcome to the Legal CPN Community Affiliate Program.